Hi guys, Scott McFarlane here from Again Real Estate and welcome to 3 of 10 Sismey Road in Christie's Beach. This is a great affordable way to get into this awesome beachside suburb. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse with an extra study area and a second toilet with an awesome courtyard. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it. It's absolutely fantastic. It's compact, but it's so usable. I love the area, I love the sunlit rooms, and the courtyard is fantastic, and it's just so quiet in this spot. And of course, you're just a hop, step and a jump to the beautiful Christie's Beach. My name's Scott McFarlane from Again Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.